Something like that. Si Biloy, gili pala po si Biloy. 24 points. Oh, versus Ali Mukon.
2 points.
2-0 favor of Kalimokon Lines. Advance on the scoring.
Ay. Dodoy. Dribble masaya Buni. Buni. Diretso. Buni with a foul lang. 1 point. 1 point lang. 2 point play.
2 out of 2.
By Buni. Still ni Buni. Buni. The boy. Dribble yung sinasat. Timbo.
Lagi ka rin lingawan.
Bakang Buni! Woo!
6-0.
Dito, oy! GR! The boy, rebound the boy! Boy! Pinasay Buni! Buni! Wilson! Ay, lipat the boy! Nyort! Pinasakay Ninong! Ninong! 2 points!
Ninong, gawin piang-piang Ninong.
The boy! Ninong na Ninong! The boy! 2 points!
The boy.
Dito, dribble pinasakay Yong! Yong tumira ng 3! Baka!
5 Yong! 6.
The boy, dribble!
8. Darwa ka 3 rin.
The boy! Oy! The boy, pinasakay Lan! Pinasakay Bunso! Di ba the boy? Pinasakay Dudoy! Oy! Awas ka! Lance ang dribble. Lance. 2 points.
2 points.
Dito, dribble. Ano pinasa kay GR. GR. Foul. Pinabas. Kick. 3-point play
3-point
by
play.
GR.
GR. Kalentina.
The boy, dribble. The boy. Sila yung Lito. GR. Pinasa kay Lito. Lito. 2 points.
Basket.
Kay Lito.
Lito. Kaligayan.
Oy, shoutout ko ng varsity. Mga varsity ka.
Wala. Ano kayo? The boy, dribble. Dudoy. Hindi ba yung Ninong? Ninong, nasa
12-11. Favor of Alimukon Lines.
Nasa kay GR. GR tuminang 3. Ibang nila, pinasay the boy. The boy. Binato kay Buni. Buni. 2 points.
Bonnie. 14-11.
Little dribble. Pinasa kay Ninong. Ninong tuminang 3.
3 points. Ninong.
Pag-out. Bunoy. Steve A by Gurier.
14
Pinasa
all.
kay Lito. Lito pinasa kay GR. GR with a speed move. GR with a foul. The boy, dribble. The boy. Niribon. Ninong. Binato kay GR. 2 points.
2 points. GR.
Uy, ano? Nilito. Bigas. GR. Wala. GR. 2 points.
18-14.
Okay, time out. The boy, binangga si Noelito. The boy, pinasa kay Dudoy. Dudoy. The easy 2 points. 2 points.
GR for
Dahil
2.
nga gabi eh.
Nagupon na namin mo po ng
Oh wow. Sana all. Two points by GR.
GR.
Si Joselito. Away, Two points,
Bonnie.
Bon Jiven, Galgaben.
18-22 in favor of Trococok.
3 points by Dan, Michael Gambado. Foul.
2 out of 2 by Bonnie. 20-25.
John, no good, rebound by Yatjan. Remaining time 7 minutes and 30 seconds. 2 points by
Basket
Dodoy
by
Brown.
Dudoy Brown.
Joselito, dribble the ball. Pass to GR. GR, 2 points by GR.
GR. 27-22.
Dodoy. Tototos for 3 points by
By
Tototos.
Dos.
How about the boy? Pumasok, 2 points by the boy.
Boy for 2.
Bonnie hurt, 1 point. Remaining time 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Bonnie hurt, no good.
Sabi si Bonnie, kita na ako ginagampang.
Tototos for 2, no good. Rebound by GR. 2 points by GR. Dodoy pumasok, no good. Foul, 15 seconds.
One out of 2 by Byong. 34-24. Basket. Kaya gili. Score.
Time to shoot 3 points.
Harana. 27-34.
Byong, foul with the basket. And 36.
37-27.
Byong, pass to Dandan, pass to North. North, pass to GR, GR for 2 points. The boy, nag-slide. The boy, pinasa kay Dodoy. Dodoy, for 2 points, Dodoy.
39-29.
GR, traveling violation. Remains time. The boy, pumasok. No good. Rebound by Dan. Michael Tumago.
Go Ninong. Ipasa kay JR. Traveling violation again. The boy. Foul. North. Rebound the ball. Pass to Bonso. Bonso. Joselito for two. No good. Rebound by Dodoy. 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 Pumasok. Pass to Lance. No good.
Get out of two by Lance.
Rebound by Joselito.
Joselito.
Joselito. Kaligayan. Pass to Dan Michael Camago. 2 points.
For two. 41-29.
The boy. Pumasok. 2 points by the boy.
The boy.
The men's time 2 minutes.
131.
Byong. Layup. No good. Foul. The boy. Pumasok. No good. The men's time 1 minute and 40 seconds. Still by Bonjiven. Bonjiven pass to Lance. Pass to the boy. The boy. Foul.
And one. Bonus shot.
1 point.
3-point play by the boy.
2 points by Byong. Points by the boy. 50.
43-38.
45.
Golden. 2 out of 2 by
Foul.
2 out
Another
of
1
2 by Dan Michael.
20 seconds. 15. 10.
Last break. Easy.
5.
End of the first quarter. First half. 45-42, 3-point lead by Grokokok.